right, you guys, let's talk about bento box lunch boxes. So thank you to the company for gifting this one to us. We have really enjoyed using it. So this one is super cool. It is going to be BPA free. The bottom is stainless steel. It's pretty easy to open. It's just a little snap side here. And then it just opens right up. This piece does come off, so you can completely wash it. So that's really nice. But it's really cool how you can have just like a different section for everything to send the kids to school. Of course, you know, my daughter, she likes to eat it out of it all the time. So we've been using it for her to eat here at for lunch and dinner. But it does have a little extra compartment here that you could put sauces in or something. So technically it has like 5 little sections you could put food in. But it's really nice how you can keep everything divided. The kids really like it, and it's really easy to open and close. There's some bento boxes that can be really challenging for the kids to open, but this one's pretty simple. But if you're looking for a little bento box, just a different style lunch box for your kids, then this would be one, or for yourself, this would be one that I would recommend you check out. And again, thank you to the company for gifting this one to us. We've really enjoyed using it.